My name is Emilly Achieng and I'm from Kenya. I came to Korea 3 years ago and I'm a student at Gachon University studying computer engineering, and I really love technology, and that is why I came all the way from Songnam to Daegu to just have that experience of coaching. So it's my first time coaching and I'm very excited about it. Yeah. So far the going is good. I'm learning a lot and I hope that the next time I get to have this experience of coaching, it's going to be better, and even when I go back to my country, I can also organize a Jungle Girls workshop. Yeah. Not really, because the team members are very kind and they're understanding. Yeah, even though I am not really able to give 100% because of language, but really we have bonded so well, and I think we are learning so much from each other. So it's really a great experience for me. I hope to really bring more women to technology. I just hope to advocate and encourage women that technology is not just for men, but really it's a place for everyone, and I just hope they can really have that confidence and be part of it. Yeah. I wanted to have that experience of coaching because I was a workshop attendee. I attended the Jungle Girls Soul workshop, and I wanted to just have that experience of coaching and how it feels like to teach someone. It's very different from when you're the one attending and you're being taught. So I wanted to have the two sides of it, so that my dream is to organize Jungle Girls in my country, in those areas where they don't have Django yet, and also to encourage girls to program, especially in Python and Django, and just to get into technology. Yes.
Oh, same with me. Attendee and okay.
Yeah,
Thank you. How can you speak Korean?
I can understand, but speaking is little.
그러면 while interview, I think it is better to just like talking with her. Not to see this camera.
Just talking.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Relax.
Okay.